Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen, and do I have an exciting recipe for you guys today? We're doing burgers today. Carrot bacon avocado burger. It's amazing. So to start out, I have some carrots. These are organic, non-conventional. They're called rainbow carrots. You can use a traditional orange carrot if you'd like. There are two methodologies of how you can do this to make the bacon. You know, bacon has long strips, so I have some already shredded here. And this has been marinated, so I'll show you guys the marinade. Or a quick kitchen hack, the same carrots, these are just shredded. So this is that rainbow blend of carrots, yellow, purple, and orange. So I'll show you that. Vegetable peeler, just gonna peel off the outer parts of the carrot. And we can discard that. Same with the white carrot or yellow carrot. Just want to discard those. Now you want to make long strokes. Just like you were peeling on the outside, you want to apply a little bit more pressure so you can get these ribbons. Apply pressure, apply pressure, applying pressure. Now you have these nice curls as opposed of these strings like we did on the outside. So once you have enough ribbons from your carrots, like I have here, we're going to use olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, coconut aminos. This is going to impart flavor and some fat into these carrots. They're going to marinate. It's going to absorb that because of the starch in the carrots. It's going to just kind of draw that flavor in and soak it up. So it's going to be really good to add some extra flavor to our burger. Aside from that, some sea salt, some cracked black pepper. And again, this is just for flavor and for a little heat, some cayenne powder. 1/4 tablespoon. I'm just going to sit this off to the side, and we're going to talk about avocados. So here we have some avocados. You can see they range in sizes. These are ripe. They're a little bit more firm than ripe. This is a little riper than the other one. You don't want an overripe avocado for this application. If you're making guacamole or an avocado spread, that would be fine to have it a little past ripe. But since we're using this as a burger, you want something substantial so that you can either cut into or pick up and take an actual bite out of. So with a sharp knife, this is a vegetable knife. You can see it has a blunt end, kind of like a straight razor. And just go around that large pit in the center of the avocado. Boom, gorgeous avocados. It doesn't always happen like this. This is not TV magic. I just got lucky in a grocery store. Regular teaspoon or tablespoon, whatever the size your avocado is, you're literally going to go up against the skin, not into the meat, but just at the flesh where it begins. And you're going to follow it all the way around, prying that beautiful avocado out of its shell. I mean, this is like perfect, guys. I can't make this up. This is kind of how it's supposed to look. So, yay for me. And we're going to do the second one. Because I love you guys so much, I'm not even going to lie to you. I had an already prepped avocado over here like they do on TV, but we're going to use this one. All right, so let's start building this burger. Typically on a burger, or a traditional burger, they're seeded buns. So why not use some black and white sesame seeds? We're just going to top our buns with these black and white sesame seeds. The skin or the flesh of the avocado will start to excrete some moisture, so that will help the sesame seeds adhere. You don't have to add any extra fats or oils or anything to this. They're just going to sit there. Again, super simple. The flavor is coming from our marinated carrots. You can let this sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, no more than a day, and those amino acids. But these, you'll find yourself, will be a delicious snack once you finish your burger. So I have some butter lettuce here. You can use any lettuce you would like. I just think butter lettuce is kind of cool for this avocado salad. So depending on the size of your avocado, this is a relatively small avocado. So I'm just going to put these 2 leaves here and some nice thin slices of tomato. And I like to season my tomatoes, so I'm going to use a little bit of that salt. Then we're going to take our bacon. Just get some different colors. You guys have to see this. The orange, the yellow, the red now has absorbed these coconut aminos, so it has like this brighter hue to it. Can you see this? Like, that is kind of cool. I like a lot of bacon on my burger. Boom. So now that we have our burger, and if you want, again, I said the matchsticks, if you're not using the mandolin or using the vegetable peeler, you can do the matchsticks. So we'll add some of those too. This will definitely add a little different texture than the sleek ribbons. This has a little bit more heft and a little crunch to it, so we'll add some of that. So we'll take the smaller of the halves, and we'll call that our base bun. Then we'll take the top. And we'll make that the top. And then because it's me and I want to add a little razzle dazzle, I have some edible flowers here just to make it a little gorgeous, like they fell from the sky. It fell for sure. There you go. You can press it down a little bit. But this is our vegan avocado bacon burger. If you guys like this recipe and would like to see more like this, avocados, anything spree, drop us a comment, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you follow us at www.dherbs.com/chef RedBeard.